Good morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Today I am working on a firewood hauling trailer. This is a trailer I bought a year or so ago that the thought was with 2 pieces of sheet roofing in it. Well, the sheet metal was just hanging here suspended and there was no strength to it. So I really couldn't use the trailer very well or put much in it. So I've decided to put a wood deck on here and just go crossways like this and put a real wood deck in here, and I'm going to have a proper trailer. And it's got the original tags on it, so it can be easily, actually it has been registered by the previous owner. And so I can make this road legal. It has lights and everything. So that I'll probably put on the watchtower. I'll have to patch up the original nail holes, but I do believe I can tar that. I can use that for the watchtower roof. But I'm gonna get this going, and then I can haul more firewood in a trip rather than using that little lawnmower cart that I've been using. My old Ryobi here, not doing so hot anymore, so I don't know how much runtime I'm going to get off it. But rather than running a generator out here, I'll see how much I can do. I'm down to 1 battery. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure about that old edge. I might shave off that edge. Yeah, that's crooked anyway. Hate to make more cuts, but that old edge is shot. Yeah, oh yeah, that's bad. That's really crooked. There we go. Even that battery is a little bit weak. It shows full, but it's a little weak. Well, let's take this over here and plunk it in and see how it looks. Hope I cut it right. You only get one chance. Good. Well, that will be the center one because of the, it's more strength right in the middle where it's needed. Well, I'm going to cut a whole lot more of them. Put a deck on this thing. This is an old lot of lumber I bought off the old Sawyer a few years ago. That'll be perfect for decking. The ends are split pretty bad, so I'm cutting up pretty far in. Oops, need that. No, I'll get it. Well, let's see if it'll hold. I think it's going to be just fine. I can get this registered and use it for more than just firewood. I'll repaint the boards along here. That's old plywood. It must have been marine because it's holding up well. I'll either replace them or repaint them. But it's going to be a good little trailer. A little bit hard. I cracked my rib coughing when I was ill. This isn't as easy as it should be. Now I'm down to recycling. I need 15 inches. So 2 at 7.5 should do the job. Just using whatever scraps I can get. By the way, I said cracked, not broke through. It's not that bad. Just uncomfortable. Really, this is not a long job here. So, I'm going to cut one more. I can only come up to this corner here, so I'll have to hang on these brackets. But if I measured it right, then it's going to work. And then what I'm going to do is space these out and put these in between every so often, between the long ones. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I think it'll help distribute the weight better. Of course, now I can't find a 7.5 inch. They're all a little thicker. So I'm going to notch out those ends, and that'll slide in there perfect. Well, there's my deck. I'm just going to rearrange. Yeah, because there's no extra support here. Slide a couple boards until I get some extra support under this one. Here we go. There. Now I have a deck. Now, I'm going to put 2 screws in every piece down the center, and we should be good to go. Hope my battery holds up. We should have a good log trailer here. Alright, I've gone and marked the center line across here, all the way across. So, all you gotta do is pop in some screws. I might put 3 in the big boards. I'll see how it feels when I'm done. Anyway, I'll get these in there. Now I've got a real log trailer. This is going to improve my workflow here. Nice. Well guys, please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming to the homestead tomorrow. I got a job to do. Talk to you later.